Hey, what's up everybody, it's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. Today I want to show you another footage I captured in NAB 2018 at the Kandao booth. Kandao did not show us any brand new camera, but it does show us some really exciting news. It's this real 6 degree of freedom 6-DoF demo, as a lot of people actually stop by Kandao's booth to demo this amazing 6 degree of freedom. So again, if you don't know 6 degree of freedom is when you're wearing a headset, instead of just spinning around, you can also move forward, back, or sideways, and you can see you have the freedom to move around with the VR headset. And as this demo is actually achieved by wearing the brand new unreleased Vive Focus, I cannot really show you the actual footage what it look like. You actually have to wear the brand new Vive Focus VR goggle to really enjoy and see the real degree of freedom and walk around and see it yourself. Unfortunately, the Vive Focus also is not released in US, so you actually cannot get it yet. Hopefully we'll get this brand new headset. I actually asked them to connect the Vive Focus onto a laptop, so I actually screen capture using my phone to capture the screen and ask my friend to wear the Vive Focus walking around to show you that 6 degree of freedom experience, so you have an idea what it is look like. Again, this is really open the door for future filmmaking. I know that people say that 360 video is dying because it's just a wallpaper wrapped around you, and I personally firmly believe that technology gonna move the storytelling in the next new level with 6 degree of freedom and stereoscopic. And here it's just a demo to show you what does it look like if you're wearing a headset and look at 6 degree of freedom video. And also, I think the 6 degree of freedom have a lot of commercial application. For example, one thing I can think of is you can create a movie scene. Let's say that the Indiana Jones entirely in 360 degree stereoscopic with 6 degree of freedom, so people can wear the VR headset, move around to watch the movie again into a reconstruct environment. Then they can hang out with Harrison Ford and really experience the Indiana Jones, the craziness, the action happen around them. While they not even watching, they can actually be participating. In a real world scenario, you are not only spinning around in 360 degree. For human head, you can also move forward, backward, and sideways, and that is a real experience. So I think the virtual reality should look that way for movie, for video as well, and 6 degree of freedom really allow the viewer to do that. So meaning that less people will get head sick when watching 360 video and become more immersive into the environment. So I think the application will be endless for this new technology to come. So thank you for watching this short demo video. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumb up. If you want to learn more about the 6 degree of freedom, how Kandao did that, and other companies doing the same thing, and more new technology in the 360 video world and VR world, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.